So I just wanted to show you how you can make a voice track sound from, well, at first it sounded like I was singing into a pillow, and then I edited it with FX Graphic EQ in FL Studio Mobile, and now it sounds much more clear. So I'm gonna show you what it sounded like before, so that you can compare. Hope decays generations. So now I turn it on, and then you can hear what it sounds like now. Hope decays generations. So you can hear it's a lot more clear now. And the way you do this is you go to, on the right here, you see this little arrow all the way on the right in the middle of the screen, and you click that, and then you see add module. You click add module, and then you go to graphic EQ. Then you click that, and then you can just edit this. You can get all kinds of effects with this. Situations disappear, washed away as a nation simply stares. Don't wanna reach for me, do you? I mean nothing to you, the little thing. Hope decays generations. Generations disappear, washed. So you can just play with that, and yeah, you can also put two over on top of each other, so you have like to double the effect. But yeah, I don't need that. So if you click on the top right on the three bars, you can delete it, and then you have, yeah, you can delete this one as well, of course. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching.